This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. According to the National Association of Business Economics, the worst of the painful housing slump and the credit crunch might have come to an end this year, but they believe the economy will weaken further and unemployment will increase. According to a monthly survey by the University of Michigan, Treasury bond traders are telling Americans to stop fretting about the inflationary problem. Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS, show traders are anticipating inflation of about 2.9% by January, in line with its average of 3.1% over the last couple of decades. European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet warned that the world is witnessing an ongoing, very serious market correction. However, he said that the current round of high inflation won't last forever. And the U.S. economy appears to be skirting an outright recession. That, according to the Conference Board today, reporting that its index of leading economic indicators rose by an, as expected, 0.1% in April to a reading of 102, matching the gains seen back in March. A survey of national average price for gasoline shows that regular gas rose about 17 cents in the last couple of weeks. According to the Lundberg survey, the average price of self-serve regular gas was $3.79 a gallon. Premium was actually up to $4.02. That's the first time over the $4 mark. Microsoft is once again trying to team up with Yahoo to challenge internet search and advertising leader Google, although at this point the renewed talks haven't escalated to another attempt to take over Yahoo. And Electronic Arts announced that it has extended its $2 billion offer to Take-Two Interactive Software after a prior hostile tender offer failed to get majority support. Some of the scheduled economic reports coming out tomorrow include retail chain index for the week of May 17th and the PPI, the producer price index for April. Earnings today, just a few. Lowe's company said it earned $607 million, or 41 cents a share in the 3 months ended May 2nd. Analysts were looking for net income of 40 cents a share. Company said it expects second quarter total sales to rise about 1% on earnings of about 54 to 59 cents a share. Campbell Soup Company said profits was $532 million, or $1.40 a share in the fiscal third quarter ended April 27th. That compared with $217 million, or 55 cents a share a year ago. Excluding one-time items, earnings were 43 cents a share compared with 45 a year ago. Earnings out on Tuesday include Target, Hewlett-Packard, Staples, Intuit, Analog Devices, Home Depot, and Saks. Some of the stocks in the news today: ConocoPhillips and Saudi Aramco plan to build a refinery on the Red Sea side of the Arabian Peninsula, scheduled for a 2013 startup. ExxonMobil traded higher after 4 institutional investors voiced support for a shareholder resolution to separate the chairman and chief executive officer jobs at the company. And Lehman Brothers say they'll begin to cut about 5% of its staff as part of an overall plan to streamline its balance sheet amid further turbulence in the financial markets. And that is the Market Wrap on a Monday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.